Hello, fellow human beings. I am Joshua Random, here to tell you about BittyBot, written by Tim McCanna, illustrated by Ted Carpenter. In a busy robot town, bots begin to power down, all except for BittyBot. Feeling sleepy? Maybe not. All the bots in Botsburg beep.
Day is over, time for sleep. Kiss your papas, hug your mamas, activate your bot pajamas.
Every bot is tucked in tight? Peace and quiet? Well, not quite. What's that noise in Tower 3? Who in Botsburg could it be? BittyBot with power tools, breaking all the bedtime rules. Banging bolts and welding wings. Clanging cogs and tubes and springs.
At last, my work is done. Start the countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Zooming, vrooming through the sky.
See you later, Betty. Bye.
Touching down, and pretty soon, BittyBot is on the moon. Taking in the sights to see.
Oops, hello there. Pardon me.
Greetings, little robot. Please join our grand festivities.
Bitty bounces left and right, jumping, bumping through the night. As the party lingers on, BittyBot begins to yawn. Creaking, squeaking, moving slow, batteries are running low.
Hurry, Biddy, back to bed. You should be at home instead.
Rockets rumble, boosters blast. BittyBot is fading fast. Systems shutting off unless, almost, nearly, maybe, yes! Safely home and done exploring. Sound asleep and softly snoring. Good morning, robots rise. Time for bots to mobilize. Bright and shiny on the dot. All except for BittyBot. And thank you all so much for following along. If you like this and other space-time read-alongs, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks, and have a great, fun, spacious day.